Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Mushakal Me. Hope you all are doing well. So Halloween is just few days away. So I thought of doing some Halloween inspired nail art tutorials. So here is my first tutorial on this spooky Halloween ghost with some eyes popping out from the dark. So let's get started. So the products that I've used here will be mentioned in the description box below as always. So it's just basic two colors, black and white. So it's very easy and fun to create. So let's finally get going. To begin with, I have applied 2 coats of each black and white on my nails. So one nail I have left as white. So to begin with the help of a large size dotting tool or a toothpick, create dots. Like we are just creating eyes over here on this nail. So I'm just increasing the size of those dots with the help of the dotting tool. Please create the dots in different directions like so. And on this nail I'll be creating cute little ghosts. So with the help of a dotting tool again, create a big dot and pull it outward like so. If you don't have a dotting tool, it's alright, you can even use a toothpick or the nail polish brush itself. Here I'm creating hands for this cute little ghost. Now the next ghost I'll be creating using the nail polish brush itself. So slightly put pressure at the beginning to create a round and then slightly pull it outwards and create hands like so. These are really very easy to create. And on this nail again I'll be creating eyes in different directions. On the last nail I'll be creating a single ghost like so using the nail polish brush. It's very easy to create using the nail polish brush instead of a dotting tool. And create hands. And on this nail I'll be creating one big ghost or nail size ghost. So I'm creating a crisscross pattern using the black polish to get a feel of a dark room. Now with the help of a black polish, I'll be giving dimension to those eyes and creating smaller dots so that it looks like eyes in real. Now create eyes for this ghost like so. See how cute they look. And for the mouth, create a dot and pull it outward in a triangular format so that it looks like their mouth is open. So here I'm repeating the same step. And create the same eyes and the mouth on this nail as well. I really feel these cute little ghosts look very cute instead of spooky. So here is my take on this cute little ghost for this Halloween. They might not scare you, but they might make you laugh. I'll be creating another set of eyes on this nail because there's a little space left. And this is how your nail art will look like once you're done. Cute little ghost and eyes popping out in the dark. So I'll be applying a good top coat to make them look more glossier. Why not glossier ghosts and glossier eyes, isn't it? So guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos on my YouTube channel such as my nail art videos and DIY videos. And please guys, come on, show some love to my videos. Otherwise these cute little ghosts will surely haunt you this Halloween. So guys, if you enjoy watching this tutorial as much as I did creating them, please don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe to my channel Mushakal Me and follow me on Facebook and Instagram. I really like how this turned out to be. So until next time, bye and happy Halloweens.